Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Richard, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make my cockpit views. In the previous video I used my cockpit views as a way to give you a tour around the cockpit, and in subsequent videos in this playlist I'm going to tell you all about the keys that I use. But to start with, I'm going to be using these keys. This is my MacBook 16-inch, and I'm going to be using these keys here, and these, and a couple up here. So I'll put the MacBook away. I don't really need that. Just wanted to show you what it looked like. So the keys I'm going to use are this for up, down, left, right, to zoom in and out, and to tilt up and down, and to pan left and right. So you might want to take a screenshot of that because I won't be referring to it again. Okay, so let me put this away, and so here we go. So in order to do a view, uh, what you have to do is this. So I'm going to come up here and go to Settings, and I'm going to go to Keyboard, and I'm going to go to Views, and then I'm going to go to Quick Views. I'm going to find an empty place down here where I haven't actually defined something. Okay, so I'm going to use, I guess, I'll use the number 19 here. I'm pretty sure that's not being used for anything. So I'm going to record a keystroke for memorizing cockpit location 19. So in memorizing, I use this slash key, um, and obviously I'd used it before because I use it all the time. So I'm going to memorize cockpit location 19. So I'm going to come back up here where it says go to location 19, and there's nothing there. And I'm going to pick a letter, and the letter is going to be U. So I'm going to memorize a cockpit location using this slash key, backslash key, um, and it's going to be the view is going to be assigned to the letter U. Here we go. So now what I'm going to do is use the arrow keys to move over and to move down and to move over here and move up here. And I'm going to tilt down like that. And I'm going to tilt up like this. Okay, I'm going to zoom in, and then I'm going to zoom back over here and tilt up like that so I can get just where I want with the keys. So I'm using the 4 arrow keys and the R and the L key to tilt, and if I needed to pan I can use that way or that way. Actually I will pan a little bit more that way. Not too far. Right there. Okay, so that's the view I want. Now I'm going to hit the slash key, or the backslash key, and it's memorized. And so I'm going to come back up here and stop, pause for a second. I'm going to take this slash key out because you don't want to memorize it accidentally later. Okay? So now I'm going to go back to my usual view up here. Now if I hit, and I'll go through several views like this and down here, okay? Now, I'm going to hit the U key, and that's the view I memorized. Now, if you hit the U key again, it'll go back to where it was, and so hitting the U key multiple times lets you look at the view you want and then look back. Okay, so that's how you memorize keys and make views. And so it's just a matter of practice and I'll bring it up again, using this quick look, and I don't use any of the predefined ones. I don't like those. Um, and you can see I have a lot of my views on a numeric keypad, and I'll explain the numeric keypad in a future video. So now I've got this U key defined. So that's how you define views. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.